Fire safety is important. That means making sure you and your family have an escape plan that you practice together a couple times a year. Start by drawing a map of your home, showing all the doors and windows. Be sure you know 2 ways to get out of each room safely. Set a meeting place outside of your house where everyone knows to meet, that is a safe distance away from your home. Be sure your house has smoke alarms. Smoke alarms should be in every bedroom, outside your bedrooms, and on every floor of your house, including your basement. Test your smoke alarm once a month to make sure they're still working.